How to restore Google Authenticator Codes. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, you will need two devices, and one is your old device and one is new where you want to restore the Google Authenticator Codes. Now for that, you can just launch the Play Store application on a device on your older devices and then tap on your profile at the top right corner and then tap on Manage your Google account. Now it will lead you to your Google account, so just scroll and drag it to the left and tap on Security. As you tap on Security, scroll down and tap on two-step verification at the bottom of the screen, so tap on it. And as you tap on it, you'll have to enter a passkey in order to verify yourself over here. After verifying it, you can just scroll down and then tap on this Add Authenticator app. So tap on it, and here I have not set up any authenticator devices over here, so you just have to set up, and in case of your devices you can just change your authenticator device and you can change the new device over here, and that's how you can restore and recover your Google Authenticator. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.